This keyboard is a RACE3 VTK-8300 with cherry red switches that are pretty good, except the window key sticks down. So we're going to pull up all of the screws, even the sneaky one under the QC pass sticker. Really sneaky. So we can get the assembly out of the case, desolder the switch like this, pull the switch, and replace it with whatever I've got on hand. Solder the new one in, put it all back together. The uniprofile keycaps make putting the arrow keys back difficult, but the mold markings are asymmetrical, and this is the top. Ta-da! And now we're off to the races. Good as new.